Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our online class again. Everyone, how are you today? Okay, so I hope you all are fine. And everyone, what classes do we have today, everyone? That's so good. So today we have, what is that? Grammar Planet 2 and Hangout 2. Okay, and today we are going to do exercises in workbook of the unit 7 and on page, what is it, 26, right? So as you see, we are going to do exercise on page 26 of the workbook. So please open your book on page 26 altogether in workbook. Okay, not student book, so don't confuse. Okay, so right now, let's move on with me altogether before I go to do the, or we can say before we are going to do exercise. So we need to review a little bit about what is it? About the simple present, right? I will not review too long about it, just simple, okay, short but meaningful, okay? Okay, everyone, so you need to remember that are, you, we, and they, and also plural noun, use it with base verb, or we can say the original verb, okay? For example, I go to school, so go here, we can say original verb or base verb, right? All students study hard, so all students, you see, with A, right? So that's why we call, what is it, plural noun, and then we use it with the verb, the original verb, or we can say the base verb. Got it? Good. What about he, she, and it? He, she, and it, and also singular noun refer to the noun that name one person, place, thing, or idea, right? Singular noun. Plus verb that we need to add s, plus verb that we need to add es, or plus verb that we need to add ie, s, and plus blah blah blah. For example, he goes to school. Like this one, you see, go here. The sentence is still the same, right? But just different subject. When the different subject like that, the verb must change as well, right? Like I, when we change I to he, so go here must also change, right? Become goes. We need to add es. Why do we add es? Why don't we add s? Yeah, because this one ends with letter o. So when it ends with letter o like this, we need to add es to that verb. Okay, good. So he goes to school. What about this one? This student. So this student refer to what is it? Look at the word student. So student and the s, no, right? So it refer to the singular noun. So this student studies hard. So singular noun we use with the verb as s, right? So because this one and with letter y, so that's why we need to change y to ie s. So the student studies hard. Okay, everyone. So do not waste the time. So right now, let's move to our exercise altogether. So our exercise will focus on page 26 and 27. So you can open your book on page 26 altogether. So on page 26 here, A, look and write. Choose the word in the box. So everyone, do you reach that page? That's good. So number one, I think before we are going to do it, so let's read it all first, okay? Read it all first. So the woman has a flag, that's on the picture, right? The woman has a flag. Number two, he vegetables. So he, what is it, based on the picture? We don't know, right? So you will know when you are looking at this book. Number three, they, blah, blah, a horse. So what's that? You know, right? The girls, what's it, everyone? Okay, so right now, everyone, do not waste the time. I think it's time for you to pause my video for 2 minutes in order to do the exercise, okay? So you can pause it now and start doing it. Let's start. Okay, everyone, so welcome back. So I hope that you can do it well and all your answers are correct, okay? So now let's check the answer with me all together. So number two, he was it, based on the picture. He, yes, correct. He sell, right? So do we add s? He sell, do we add s? Correct, we need to add, right? Because he here refer to the third person singular, or we can say the subject in group 2, right? So that's why we need to add s. He sells which table? He sells which table? What about number three? They, what is it, everyone? They, a horse. So they dance, they sell, they ride, or they have? Good, they ride, right? But ride, do we add s? Do we add s, or we do not add s? Good, we do not add s, right? Why? Because they here, right? They, IUV, and they, we use it with, what is it? With the original verb. Okay, so ride, still ride. Ride. They ride the horse. They ride the horse. Okay, good. Number four, the last one. Dance, right? Maybe look at these pictures. They are dancing. So the girl, was it? The girl dance or the girl dance? The girl dance with s or the girl dance without s? So based on the subject here, look at the subject girl. Girl here with S, right? So with L I D, it refers to the plural noun, right? So plural noun, we use it with the verb have F or the verb that doesn't have F. Good, the verb doesn't have, right? Good, with the original verb. Because it is a plural noun, so we use it with the original verb. So that's why the girl danced, right? Have you got the right answer like this? Great. So I hope everyone get the right answer like this, okay? But if you have any errors, so you can make change, got it? And any question, you can drop into the group. So now let's move to section B. In section B, read and circle. They want you to read all of this one and then circle, okay? So right now, I am going to read for you for all the sentence from number 1 until number 6, and then I will ask you to do it for 2 minutes, okay? So now please listen to me. Number 1, I watch TV. So which one? Watch, right? Because we use it with I, okay? But if you change I to he, this one must use with what is it? Watch, right? If you change to he, so that's why this one watch. To she, watch. To it, watch. Got it? But I, you, and they, we need to use it with the original verb, okay? We do or we does our homework. Everyone was it? Okay. So I'm going to write it for you later. She have or she has a red car. Holly see or sees a camel. Holly and Andy sees a horse. Number 6, he cries in his room. So among all of this one, you need to do all of the exercise. You need to choose one answer that is the correct one, okay? So right now, do not waste the time, everyone. You can pause my video for 2 minutes in order to do it, okay? So now let's start pausing my video and doing the exercise. Let's start. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So I hope that you can do it well and also can get the right answer, okay? So now let's check the answer with me all together. So we do or we does our homework, everyone? Yes, we do, right? Because we use it with the original verb, so that's why we do, okay? What about number 3? She have or she has a red car. Great. So they use with have. He, she, and it use with has, right? So that's why the answer is has. Number 4. Holly sees a camel. So which one that is the correct answer? See or sees a camel? That's a good. Holly, how many names? Only one name, right? It refers to the singular noun. So singular noun we use with the verb that has S based on the rule. So that's why Holly sees, right? See with S. Got it? Good. Number 5. Holly and Andy sees a horse. So which one that is the right one, everyone? This one, how many names are there? 2 names. It refers to the plural noun, right? So if it refers to the plural noun like this, do we use it with C without S or C with S? Correct, C without S, right? Because based on the rule, because, if it is a plural noun like this, so we need to use it with the base verb. So C, got it? Good. The last one, number 6. He cries in his room. He, we use it with the original verb like this, or we use it with the verb IES like this. Good, with the verb with IES, because he, she, it, we use it with the verb that has IES based on the verb. Got it? Good. Okay, so everyone, have you got the right answer like this? Okay, so I hope so. Okay. So do not waste the time. Let's move to the other exercise in section C. Section C, they want you to read, correct, and rewrite. You just read, correct, and rewrite. So now let's read with me all together, okay? Number 1, I see 2 birds. So this one based on the sentence, can you find the mistake? Yes, see here, right? The underline one here. Because I sees, but see here we do not add S because I use with the original verb, right? So we just say I see 2 birds. Got it? Number 2, Andy go to bed. So Andy go to bed like this. Andy, how many names? Only one, right? So it refers to the singular noun. So singular noun we use it with the verb that has I. So that's why this one they do not add I at all. So that's why it's wrong, right? So what should you do? Yes, you need to change, right? Go to what is it? Goes. So we need to say Andy goes to bed. Got it? That's good. Andy goes to bed. Number 3. She touched her dog. She touched her dog. Look at the word here. The subject she. Subject singular, right? And the verb here. It is the original verb, right? So is it right? No, it's not right. Okay. So what should you do? Yes, you just add IES. Yeah, it ends with CH, right? So end with CH like this. So we need to add ES. Correct. So she touched her dog. Got it? Because she touched her dog. The number 4, everyone. Number 4. Mom washed her hand. Mom washed her hand. So mom here only one, right? Refer to the singular noun. Singular noun we need to use with the verb that has IES. So that's why this one. Mom washed. But wash here, do we add S? Do we add ES? Do we add IES? So which one? Correct. It ends with SA, right? So end with SA like this. We need to add ES. So mom washed her hand, right? Okay, that's so good. The last one, number 5. They read book. They read book. So which one? Sorry. Can you find the mistake? So this one the mistake, right? Why? Because they use it with the original verb, not verb that has I, right? So what should you do? Yeah, you just delete letter S. That is the right one, right? So they read book. Got it? Okay, everyone. So let me say goodbye. See you in the second session. So now you can have break. Okay, goodbye.